Back again on Channel I's military, USS Harry S. Truman's daily operations and swim calls are an integral part of the United States Navy's worldwide missions and duties. This Nimitz-class aircraft carrier is a global projection force that bears great responsibility in maintaining regional stability and global security. Every day, this ship operates under intense and demanding conditions, including exercises, patrols, and coordination with Allied forces. Her crew is trained to face the various challenges that may occur on the open sea, making her a formidable and reliable symbol of American military power. USS Harry S. Truman's swim call refers to the moment when this aircraft carrier launches fighter aircraft and helicopters from its flight pad. This is a highly coordinated operation and requires high skills from its pilots and support crew. During the swim call, aircraft are launched and flown for a variety of missions, including air patrol, reconnaissance, and direct support for ground forces on the ground. Speed and accuracy in the swim call are key to success in supporting military operations in various theaters of operations around the world. USS Harry S. Truman also plays a vital role in joint exercises with Allied navies and armed forces, building strong interoperability and partnerships. These exercises involve scenarios ranging from air defense to humanitarian aid delivery under pressure. Such collaboration strengthens the global security network and prepares forces to respond to future challenges with unmatched expertise and coordination. As such, the USS Harry S. Truman is not only an aircraft carrier, but also a symbol of the United States' commitment to global security and international stability.